Earthquake of the magnitude 7.5 was observed 77 kilometers northwest of capital of the Nepal, Kathmandu. Depth of this earthquake was 10 kilometers, and the coordinates 28.1 and 84.6. The intensity which is was felt in the entire North India, but more intense shocks were observed in eastern UP and Bihar. Equally felt was in the sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim. The tremors were also felt in entire North India, including Delhi, Jaipur, Dehradun, and all the cities. The intensity estimate which is felt at Delhi is about 5. After this earthquake, there is a aftershock of 6.6 magnitude, also around the same place, and depth also is 10 kilometers.